So, good day everyone, no? My name is Brian Sensecorin. So, I am the last reporter of Eco-Literacy. So, my topic is all about integrating ecological literacy into the curriculum.
Integration ecological literacy into the curriculum promotes a variety of teaching strategy based on practices that are developmentally appropriate to students' level and are brain-based to foster knowledge, skills, and values essential to sustainable living.
Thank you, no? So, when we say integrating ecological literacy into the curriculum, so it involves using teaching strategies na mo help or mo match sa student developmental levels and mo support sa ilahang learnings. Also, gina-emphasize po diriya ang ilahang learning such as ilang activity, reflection, and discussion. Dili lang kay sa inside the classroom but also the outside the outside the classroom. So this approach kay makahelp sa students to develop their knowledge and skills, also the values need for sustainable living. Now, there are 5 parts of integrating ecological literacy into the curriculum. So first is
Place-based learning, experiential learning that engages students in their own environments and a strategy that captures their imagination and advances environmental stewardship and civic engagement. Activities include mapping the local environment to learn key ecological and cultural principles, studying the interplay between local society and the environment, supporting society and supporting habitat restoration project and working with local citizens to improve the quality of life in their community.
So first is place-based learning. Is an experiential approach na nag-engage sa students to cooperate in their local environment and community. So nag-help po ni sa students no to develop their environmental awareness, civic engagement, and real-world problem solving skills. By this, no, makonect ni siya sa lesson to students' surroundings. Because of place-based learning, no, ang students kay mo participate na in activities such as gina-explore na nila ilang community, gina-studyhan na nila ang relationship between sa people and nature, and working with local groups to improve their environment. Also, no, ilang learnings kay dili lang ma-apply nila inside the classroom but also in real life situation.
In project based learning, it is a strategy that involves students in projects that use a variety of resources, including the community, technology outside experts, written resources, and the web, while the teacher usually serves as facilitator of learning.
So, in project-based learning, no, is a teaching strategy where ang students kay maka-learn sila through doing real project instead na maminaw lang sila sa lecture. Then, they use different resources like community, technology, books, and internets while ang teacher kay i-guide na lang sila instead of giving the i-answer. Because of project-based learning, no, so ma-improve ang critical thinking sa mga students. Maka-learn na sila how to analyze, ask question, and solve problems on their own. And also, ma-develop ang ilang good habits and confidence.
Socratic inquiry. This is named after the Greek philosopher Socrates, who believed that questions, not answers, stimulate learning. Therefore, rather than teaching facts and information, teachers encourage students to ask questions about their assumptions, values, and preconceptions. Therefore, the role of teachers shift from direct instruction to facilitating discussions.
So, ang Socratic inquiry naman no, is a teaching strategy based on the ideas of the Greek philosopher Socrates. Instead, natagaan ang mga students og direct answer or facts, ang mga teacher kay gina-encourage nila to ask question about their own beliefs and ideas. So, ang main goal day ano is to improve their thinking and deeper understanding. Dili lang kay i-memorize nila ang mga information. So, in short, ang Socratic inquiry din kay makatabang sa mga students to become open-minded learners.
Experiential learning. It promotes students' involvement in the real world and defines the teacher's role as a facilitator of learning. The process of learning leads to behavioral outcomes. It has based on the premise that learning is an active and a continuous process with experience at its foundation. Environment literacy.
Experiential learning emphasize students to real-world involvement. So, diri kay ang mga teacher kay mag-act na lang as a facilitator. So, it supports environmental literacy and sustainable education by allowing students to directly engage sa nature and collaborate sa real-world problems. So, kanina approach kay ma-develop ang ilang both ecological understanding and practice skills. So, by following the learning cycles that begins with exploration, gina-explore sila sa ilang community, then moves to concept formation and application. So, the last one is interdisciplinary learning. Connects different subjects like math, science, history, language, art, instead of teaching them separately. So, instead nga isaysaw ni teacher og discuss ang kini ng mga subject, si interdisciplinary is gina-generalize niya to make it short and mas maka-understand sila dali. So, naay 8 ka kwan si interdisciplinary. So, one is students gain deeper understanding by exploring them or problem from multiple choice. So, then ang students maka-gain og deeper understanding by exploring sa themes or problems from multiple subjects. So, kaduha kay it reduce fragmented learning and isolated skills. So, also naga-reduce or it means connected and silver, more connected, meaningful and useful, not broken into piece. So, ang third guys, students can approach topics from different perspective and source. So, in short, students is maka-learn sila more deeply by using many ideas, personal resources, not just one. So, ang ikaapat kay teacher can vary instructional and create more engaging assessment. So, then mas maka-create pa siya more ideas na mas maka-engage sa students. So, ay kalima, it increase students motivation and active participation. It means maka-boost sa ilang confidence and ma-motivate sila mo participate sa class. Ang ikaunom, students see the values of their learning and gets more involved. So, if si students maka-feel og confident, makita nila or niya ilang value sa ilang pag-eskwela. Yun ang ika-7, applying different skills and collaborating with others enhance learning. So, it means na need po sa mga bata makig-socialize and collaborate with other children so that mas ma-enhance ilang capabilities. And the last one is support principles that encourage sustainable living. So, it means that it helps students think better or makig-work together and care for individuals. So, that's all my topic. Thank you.